Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 57 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is belligerence. So its meaning is to fight. Jungju. Next one, paradigm. So theory or group of ideas about how something should be done or should be made. Next one, bravado. So confident or brave talk or behavior that is intended to impress others. Next one, audacity, confident and a daring quality, just like a lion. Next one, cronies. So fellow, companion, cohort. In simple words, we can say friends. Next one, perched. So someone who is in a prominent position. Next one, chop. So to cut into pieces, just like we cut meat or vegetables or fruits into pieces. Next one, equated. So compare, liken, equal, equalized, masavi. Next one, vilification. So defamation, blackening, maligning, tohinamez. Next one, treason. So disloyalty, infidelity, unfaithfulness, betrayal. And in the Constitution of Pakistan, Article number 6 stands for those people who put the constitution in abeyance or in a suspension. So those sort of people will be awarded with treason. Next one, epitome. So a perfect example. Next one, a flanked. So sideline or side. Next one, cajoled. So doka dena, to deceive with smoothing words or false promises, or we can say rosy promises. Next one, brazen. So acting are done in an open and shocking way without shame or embarrassment, just like the armed forces of Israel are doing atrocities in a brazen way in Gaza and Palestine. Next one, amassed. So jama karna, accumulate, gather, congregate. Next one, abeyance, so temporary inactivity or suspension. Next one, dismemberment, so to separate into smaller parts. So the USSR was dismembered into almost 15 different states, just like Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Kyrgyzstan, and many more. Next one, novices. So novices actually stands for those people who are now beginners, uh, newcomers, or we can say freshmen. Next one, waning. So to fall gradually from power, prosperity, or influence to a lower position. Next one, lest. So denoting fear or apprehension. Next one, perceived. So to notice or become aware of. Next one, envisioned. So fantasy, imagine, vision, dream, think. Next one, to forecast about future events. Next one, relevant. So relating to a subject in an appropriate way. Next one, clause. So separate part of a legal document. Next one, crux. So the most important point. So the main crux of all my videos are all my lectures are to help student and they clear their competitive examinations. Next one, envisaged. So to picture something in your mind. Next one, egalitarian. So aiming for equal wealth status, etc. for all people, just like in communism, or in some way we can say to socialism. Though there is a difference between communism and socialism, but the basic concept that in communism and socialism, up to great extent they are same. Next one, facade. So a false, superficial or artificial appearance or effect. We can say pseudo or false. Next one, enduring. So continuing, everlasting, long lasting, immortal, deathless. Next one, drift. So tendency or basic meaning of something said or written. So it's all for today. If you people have any queries, so ask freely and stick to downtimes for more videos and updates. Thank you and good luck.